Wave Ultrasonics multi-stage cleaning systems with automation provide the cleaning power you need while increasing productivity. With a fully customizable system from Blue Wave, your employees are free to handle other tasks while automation performs multiple functions. In this 7-stage example, Stage 1 includes ultrasonics, heat, filtration, oil separation, and a lip vent exhaust manifold. The surface of the tank is skimmed and removes any floating oil. The oil is separated into a freestanding tank behind the automation system. A heat exchanger is provided on the back of the load station to maintain the solution temperature. Stages 2 and 3 include a 2-stage counterflow rinse. In Stage 2, ultrasonics are used. Stage 3 provides a conductivity controller that monitors the conductivity of the rinse water, adding fresh water as needed. Stage 4 is another cleaning tank, similar to Stage 1. Instead of oil separation, however, it includes surface skimming and a filtered holding tank. Stages 5 and 6 include a 2-stage counterflow rinse identical to Stages 2 and 3. Finally, in Stage 7, parts are dried using recirculating hot air, including HEPA filtration and a pneumatic insulated lid. The automation system's capacity is 100 pounds and includes a PLC with a touchscreen that controls hoist movement and all process functions, including heat, timers, and filtration. Serial mode allows the system to transport one basket at a time, or parallel mode allows multiple baskets through the system simultaneously. 5 different recipes can be stored for processing different parts. In fact, multiple parts with different recipes can be processed simultaneously. The superior magnetostrictive transducers that power Blue Wave's ultrasonic cleaning come with a lifetime warranty. If you're ready to make your factory more efficient and effective, it's time for automation from Blue Wave Ultrasonics.